Good morning, guys, and it's 4 days from the Cebu earthquake, the 6.9 magnitude earthquake that happened off the coast of Bogo. So everyone's affected. Kusugod kayo today. I was in a hotel. I was in Radisson Blu to watch a Miss Asia Pacific Gala night and Gala night, and it was the final stage, the final moments of the event. The candidates were like paso-paso sa stage na lang. It's like to exit already. And suddenly an earthquake happened. Oh, na kuyaw kayo. It was quite, it's very strong. Then also dugay pigid siya. Less than, I don't know, almost a minute of shaking. Itong kuyaw kayo. And mana. So sometimes ba sa kita, we don't take earthquake drills seriously ba din ay mga earthquake drills, pero it's like out of ceremony na lang, di ba? But now the earthquake happened, di ba? So ang uban kay bawo what to do, ang uban yun basad kay bawo what to do. Hey, katong labi na itong mga kandidata ba, some said na earthquakes never happen in their place. Okay, like mga Brazil, di ba? Mga kanang mga lugar na wala sa Asia Pacific Ring of Fire ba, marag yun ang foreign yun kaya nila, marag ma-shock sila because they don't do earthquake drills. Bisa kita gali dire, marag people don't take earthquake drill seriously. So mga kuan sa dana manang mapanik ang mga tao, pero fortunately wa man sad na matay diri sa syudad, no? But grabe there are at least 72 naman diyan namatay in the northern towns of Cebu, mga Bogo City, San Remio, daghan namatay town. So dire nag-shake ni musta ka ni dire. But I think okay naman ni dire. Ang New Star ni mga naguguba na mga accessories sa ilang kuan. Moya kani this McDo was rumored or was katong the night na ba naniingon na naguba ko na McDo, but in reality wala sa noon ay damage, and it's actually accepting customers the next day. Pero kung nagkan sa mga fake news ba, of course di na to ma-verify, and the difficult thing at that time pag uyog na yung mga lugar na nag-brown out. When I went home, the streets were dark because brown out. Yamada 4 days now, and I guess there are 4 days of relief efforts na karon. And the nice thing there sa Cebu is the spirit of volunteerism of bayanihan was quite what you can say admirable. Just daghan admirable gid kay ng mga tao na nag-donate, mga students na walay klase, nag-volunteer sa ilang time to help in the repacking, sorting, accepting of relief goods. Some even joined to the north to volunteer, especially the medical personnel na nanghanglan dito kay, of course we need medical personnel there, and many heeded the call. And another nice story is when the Vicente Soto Memorial Medical Center was asking for blood, because our blood stores were almost depleted because there were many victims of the earthquake who needed blood. Katong na-admit dito sa Soto, and there was a call for blood donors, and early morning diretso dayon many people came in droves to donate blood, from riders, students, ordinary citizens. So they're giving blood, and that's it's as important as water, as food, because kanang blood is life, di ba? Kinahanglan sa mga operasyon, kinahanglan sa mga nanginhanglan katong nawadan og dugo. That's nice story about it, and then came, you know, mga help eventually sa national government. So even before the national government came, nag-deploy na ang local ang local, the people of Cebu, naghuwat, diba? May nasaan ang pangulo, nangutana, let's just help each other, diba? Ang Cebu City government example also has their own donation hub silbi sa City Hall o sa Cebu Public Library, where you can drop off your goods, but also cash. Kaya ang nindot sa Cebu City, when you donate cash, they will double it. They will do a counterpart donation. So I think so far over 1 million na itong nakuha niya in the first 2 days. Okay ba ng tulong na kaadlaw, so basig mabot na 2 million plus. So, and plus other organizations are doing this kind of donations. Nasa mga bloggers, mga social media personalities who gathered funds to do their own, himo-himog ilang own relief operations, diba? Kuan sad, nasa mga celebrities like Shasha Padilla, Kim Chiu, who came to give out their part. Nasa mga malay na mga artista sana, they're doing their part to help. And the companies, the big companies, nasa mga ingana like mga Dunkin Donuts providing food, the McDonald's, Jollibee, I think they're doing their own way of supporting, giving to the, helping the victims. So manang nanay ko sa una, manay akong ingon na nagkanong fake news at nagkatag masilisod na kaning sa una ningon sa may damage ang tunnel, makuyawan ta ba na maghimo-himog. I don't know what they get out of it, diba? Kana bang himo-himo ulag storya ba. So that's maka sakit sa dughan sa kuyawan ng mga tao noon. So morning kita magkuhan lang ta, do what we can to support by nihinay lang. To be honest, nagkaniingon ako na pwede ko bang buhag funds sa ko. I don't intend to do that because naman sa mga experienced na organizations who can do that, diba? Kasi unang hulda ta ba mahimo na nung scam ba na maragdagan ba mag-ingon na all followers just today 1 peso makaabot tag, let's say kung 200,000 followers, abot tag 200,000 pesos kung donate lang tag piso. It's nice, pero mauna ingon lang ta na it's also a responsibility ba no usahay. We shouldn't, para lang in my opinion, di lang sa tamong appeal kuan ba, we'll do our part sa atong own little way lang, like, although yes, kung if you need help, probably I can guide you to inside kasi mga legit na mga nindot padadaan, like mga Cebu Chamber of Commerce, uban pa. There are many organizations na naagid sila kanabang na sila mga they are, let's say, registered foundations, diba, nasa yung mga accounting, diba? Kaya nga kita mudawat tayo, would you know if I give it, diba, ako'y resibo, dapat nindot mo sa namoy natay resibo na dito na itong gihatag, diba? Although yes, kana Cebu City government, for example, is a good place. If you have relatives here in Cebu, pwede nyo padadaan, ipa-donate ninyo sa Cebu City government because they will, they will give the funds to the Cebu province. So, diba? O ug dagay diretso na kada Cebu province, so sa ilang Governor Pam Baricatro. Pero man ang nakakuan lang ani, daghan gyud nang kuan. Willing ko tabang, daghan ang nitabang. Di lang may tagdi we can kuan usahay man mo na mo padakanay na tagtabang dili man. We shouldn't do that na pag anan man ang nitabang. Bisag oras lang nila do what they can do. Nang iti tao hugat kuan murag na viral siya kay murag last na niya 19 pesos iyang gidonate. Di ba marag ingana ba na murag itabang gyapon siya ni donate gyapon sa kwarta bisan pag mo na siya kwarta. Marag mga stories na makabilib ta ba na lagi mga tao na kibaw kita na marag isa gamay lang atong kwarta. There are people with lesser resources, bigger problems than us. So like mali na karon ta sa Bugo, other areas daghan pa tingali mga hard to reach areas na karon nagkalisod yun kay lisod yung may tubig, may kuryente, may pagkaon, diba? May tag naanad na tas mga lisod na kinabuhi, pero lisod siya ginakaroon panahon na nawa na kuryente o then napay usahay. I think usahay mo overlook na to ang mga panghinanglan sa mga bata. Mga bata o di lang pagkal usahay na may kuan o na ni trauma sa di na to mga kuan mga pa sila balay na sila puyo dito sa gawas pero kaya bang usahay the psychological needs kana di kinahanglan na nato ikuan in a way kinahanglan stress debriefing ning taga Bugo taga kuan dito kay kana wa gina usahay din na nato ma-overlook na nato ba unahan to mga pagkaon, but sometimes the problems could be inside di ba kana mo na ba manang daghan may mo provide ana pero maybe need og psychological help na untay nasa tayo untay ingana ba kay daghan gid kinahanglan ana kanang kinahanglan ng kabugak pero anyway, if you guys can help let me just shoot a question also so that I can help you unsaon ni asa na to ipada ang atong mga tabang. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope kung makatabang mo tabang ta. Bye.